What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to bring you another online arbitrage video. Now this is for my Canadian sellers out there. I get these questions all the time from people all over the world. Can I do online arbitrage? And the answer is yes, you definitely can. You can always source from the US and then use prep centers to ship back into the US. However, if you want to source on the Canadian marketplace, because I know that there's a lot of people in my course that are, dealing with the Canadian marketplace and they want to know, are there any prep centers for Canada? Well, yes. I actually just paired up with a prep center in Canada. It's a great deal for you guys. I'm going to give it to you right here. This is not an affiliate link. I make $0 from this. I make 0 cents from this. Not an affiliate link. It's just a great place where you can, ship your products in if you're in Canada. I know that a lot of people are looking for a great, Canadian prep center. This is it. So before I give you the actual, code and how you can get your first 100 products for free through the deal that I basically set up with them, if you go through to the Amazon, I'll drop a link to this actual website in the description too. It's amzprepcanada.ca, and if you click this top menu right here, you'll see here that if you come right here, they don't just do prep for private label. They don't just do prep for manufacturing. They do prep for online arbitrage too. So if you come here to online arbitrage, it will literally walk you through everything that you need to do and send in for them to set up your online arbitrage business. You basically give them the information, tell them this is what I'm doing, this is how I want it set up, this is how I want it shipped in, these are the products I'm going to be sending to you, and this is what it's going to be looked like. They're going to be coming in with this name on them, and in this quantity this week, and then you're going to update them with that. They literally tell you everything that you need to do for the online arbitrage to work in your favor and to go through this prep center. Now there are also other prep centers in other parts of the world, and if there's enough demand for it, maybe I'll set up another deal with another prep center in that part of the world. If maybe like there's Germany or the UK or something like that, or Japan, whatever. There are also many prep centers in the US. It's easy to find a prep center in the US, in my opinion, in my experience. So I'm not going to set up a deal with a prep center in the US because they're so easy to find. But this is probably the best, in my opinion, online arbitrage prep center, and they know that. So the problem with other prep centers in the past is they mainly do just like manufacturing, they mainly do wholesale, and they mainly do private labeling. And so it was kind of a hassle to kind of teach them what you wanted them to do with your online arbitrage when you're doing it. However, this specific prep center knows full-heartedly what you're doing. They know what to expect, and so if you basically take the steps that they're giving you here, it will literally, it's the easiest setup to go through a prep center that I've ever seen, because they know what to expect and they know what you're doing. So I wanted to bring this to you. Obviously, you can get 15% off your first shipment if you go through the code, but I set up a deal with them, and you can get your first 100 units free if you use the code Guerra, which is my last name, obviously. So AmazonPrepCanada.com, also amzprep.ca. I will drop both of those links in the description. The same website, just it's up to you, whatever one you want to go through. That being said, remember to use the code Guerra. Like I said, not an affiliate link. I just want to give you guys some value. I just want to help you out. I don't make any money off that. It just gives you your first 100, items for free, so they don't actually charge you, because in my experience it's usually like 50 cents to $1 per item for them to actually prep it. So it does take a little bit of cut off your profit margin, but it saves you a lot of time. So if you guys are interested in this Canadian marketplace, or this Canadian prep center, and you're on the Canadian marketplace, by all means I highly recommend that you use this. Remember to use the code Guerra at checkout, and I will see you in the next one.